Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of this Leadpages tutorial. Now in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for your 14-day free trial of Leadpages. Now this is the Leadpages dashboard. Now to reach this page, you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below. Now signing up through my affiliate link will not cost you anything and it will be the same amount and it will just incentivize me to put out more valuable videos for you. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page. And over here, you can enter your email address and start your 14-day free trial. So I'm just going to enter my email address over here. So I'm just going to enter my other email address. So you can click on start my trial. So you will be taken to this page where you have this create your account, step 1 of 2. So sign up for your free 14-day trial. Now you can see over here some of the ratings provided by the Leadpages users. So once you come over to this page, you can just choose your email address. And you can see the email address is already typed in. You can just enter your name over here and you can enter the password. So you can always ensure that this is ticked so that you get your lead generation tips, discounts, product updates and tactics to grow your business from Leadpages. And after that, you can click on the get started. Now you have come to the payment method, step 2 of 2. Now you don't need to worry about payments over here. Now you have the options of like plan. By default, the system shows the pro monthly plan and you can always choose either pay monthly or pay annually depending upon your business and your requirements. Now here you can see the payment method to start your free trial. Now you can choose either add a credit card or you can connect via PayPal, and you can always see that it's a 100% money back guarantee for 7 days after trial ends, and you have secure SSL payment. Now you might have some questions lingering around your mind like, will I be billed during the trial? No way, you will only be billed after your 14-day trial if you choose not to cancel your account. But in case you forget, we also offer a full 7-day money back guarantee. Can I cancel during my trial? Yes, you can cancel at any time during your free trial. And can you change your plan during the trial? Yes, you can also change your plan or billing frequency anytime, and any of the balances will be credited to your new plan. So you can choose any one of the payment methods, either credit card or PayPal, and after that you can start using your Leadpages account. Now you can choose either pay monthly or pay annually option. Now it's up to you. Now if you're in the business for the long term, then I would request you to go for pay annually option. And in the next upcoming video, I'm going to discuss about the pricing plans and the plan that is going to be suitable for you based on your options. Now you have seen how to sign up for your 14-day free trial of Leadpages account. In the next video, I'm going to share more about the pricing plans and how to choose your best plan. So if you want to get more valuable information on different tutorials or softwares, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below so that you get important notifications all along the way. So with that being said, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye.